Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about these gorgeous drinking glasses with bamboo lids and glass straws, you guys. These are so perfect whether you want to drink iced coffee at home, maybe a tea, maybe even a cocktail, whatever you're going for. These are incredible. You can use them with and without the lid, with or without the straw. You can use them as a cup, for instance, taking away both of these. These are so versatile. You can do so much with them, and I am absolutely amazed at how pretty they look. You get four in total. They come very well packaged, as you can see. None of mine broke. You can also see that you get two cleaners. These are for your straws, so you can clean all the way inside, and of course here on the side all the way in the bottom you get your four straws. They're very well packaged so they won't break. Here we go, and we get four straws, four bamboo lids, and four drinking glasses. These are incredible. They are gorgeous, and I can't wait to make iced coffee here at home on them. I think it's going to be such a nicer way to drink iced coffee rather than doing it out of a mug or a regular cup. These are made to make drinks, so I definitely recommend. These are so beautiful, and I think they're going to be so pretty in any picture you take or anything you put in them. So go check them out, you guys. Definitely 10 out of 10 for me.